ọmọ yẹmi bó ti wà ọmọ olùkọ́ àtọ̀rọ̀ táyọ̀ lórúkọ mi tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí Ìjẹ̀bú Jùgúnù ẹ má jẹ́ kí gbọ́ ọ̀tọ̀ kó níyàn máa ń wo ètò rẹ̀ máa ń kọ́ níyàn nígbọ́n ẹ jọ ẹ máa wo ètò níbẹ̀ látọ̀dọ̀ Ọlábísí ẹ máa wo bó ṣe máa jẹ́rìí ẹ̀ kọ́ńfàmù wa mo dáàbò rẹ.
Excellencies, Royal Fathers, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me officially welcome you to the grand opening of this wonderful event, conference center, Emfelix. And if you're really happy to be here and happy for the wonderful family that have put this together here in Abeokuta, in the heart of Abeokuta, the state capital, please join me in appreciating the efforts of Chief Ogundimu and her darling damsel and wife, Princess Beatrice Adeleke Ogundimu. Please a round of applause for this wonderful family. They have actually keyed into the infrastructural drive and development happening in Ogun State, and all these are happening under the able leadership and reign of our father, the unlucky and paramount ruler of Egbala, Oba Adedotu Badebo Ogukelo the Fourth. Kabiyesi is on his way. I have it on good authority that will be joining us here very soon. Kabiyesi will be cutting the thing right in front of this event center to officially kickstart the opening. But before then, and without much ado, we would like to kickstart by recognizing our eminent personalities who are here. We have to kickstart by recognizing eminent personalities who are here. We'll be doing it face by face as the names get to us. We'll definitely recognize each and every one of you. Like MCG said, my own name is Toby Joseph. And Ayaba is also here in between the two gentlemen. She will definitely be joining us during this wonderful afternoon. Ayaba, let's kickstart by recognizing distinguished ladies and gentlemen, eminent personalities who have decided to come and celebrate with the Ogundibus as we kickstart the royal grand opening of Emfelix Event and Conference Center.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon once again. We say thank you for coming. Thank you for celebrating with us. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for all the support. And just like my brother said here, if by any chance we don't call your name, it's not deliberate, please forgive us. We'll do adjustments to that. First of all, let me start with Elder James Olakapo Ogundimu and our beautiful sister, auntie, mother, Princess Beatrice Adeleke Ogundimu, the visionary of this place, whom the people of God has given the grace to put this beautiful edifice together. I would also like to recognize Kabiyesi Oba Adedoyin Salisu and his beautiful, delectable Olori Salisu, the Lamodi of Ishiwo, Ijebu. Also recognize Oba Alani Adebayo Onitafi of Orile Itafi, Kabiyesi Adebayo. We also have Dr. Chief Leke Oluwadayo Ashiwaju Basheguwebo, all the way from Canada. God bless you, sir. Thank you for coming. We have Honorable Olori Ebi Victoria Olayinka Olayinka Omoba Luachi. I'm sorry if I didn't say this well, please forgive me. It's the name that was given to me. We also have Pastor Femi Folakbejo from the US. Thank you, sir. Thank you for all you do. We have Mama Sophia Fabi. Thank you for coming too. Oh, Sophia Pharmacy. Thank you for coming, ma. God bless you, ma. We have Femi Okutimu.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.